This is the M14 rifle, one of the most powerful and misunderstood guns ever issued by the U.S. military. Born in the late 1950s, the M14 was designed to replace four weapons at once: the M1 Garand, the M1 Carbine, the BAR, and even submachine guns. That alone tells you how ambitious this rifle was. Chambered in 7.62 x 51mm NATO, the M14 hits hard. This is not a lightweight assault rifle round. This is full-power battle rifle ammunition, built for range, penetration, and stopping power. On paper, the M14 looked perfect. Semi-automatic for precision, full auto for firepower, a 20-round detachable magazine, and legendary American build quality. But reality hit fast. In full auto, the recoil was brutal. The rifle climbed uncontrollably, making automatic fire nearly useless. In dense jungles like Vietnam, the M14 was long, heavy, and slow to handle compared to newer designs. That's why it was quickly replaced by the M16. But here's the twist. The M14 never died. Its accuracy was simply too good to ignore. Years later, the M14 came back as a designated marksman and sniper rifle. Versions like the M21, M25, and the modern MK14 proved that this rifle shines at long range. Special forces loved it, snipers trusted it, and even today, decades later, the M14 is still used in limited roles around the world. The civilian version, known as the M1A, is now a favorite among precision shooters and collectors. The M14 wasn't a failure, it was just ahead of its time, built for power in a world that was moving toward lighter, faster rifles. Heavy, accurate, powerful. The M14 isn't just a rifle, it's a legend that refused to fade. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed real firearm history, hit like, subscribe, and stay locked for more legendary weapons. Bell Fire.